Hello viewers, today I will do uh, reading for the week ahead. This is the first half of the week, this is the second half of the week, and this is the last part of the week. Okay, I will try to give you some insights from the cards. Thank you for watching my video. Okay, the first half of the week is Six of Cups, surrender, fear, and power. So don't let your fear stop you from whatever is you are giving in your situation. Maybe you are working hard, maybe you are doing your best in your relationship. Don't lose your hope. Just because of some past memories, sometimes you are losing hope because the way you are going, it's very tough and it's going on for long time. You need to put your effort and you are struggling, but from all the darkness you will see light. You have seen light. Okay, so trust in yourself and trust the journey you are in, and don't let your fear stop you. Second half of the week is surrender to the wisdom of your body, Page of Swords, and healing chaos. You are in a healing process. There is transformation is going on, and you are now transforming into a better one, better version of yourself. So you need to rest and you need to connect with your body more so that you can connect with your mind. You can try to get in touch with your thoughts, whatever is coming in your mind, what is disturbing you, so that you can create a balance within your mind, body, and soul. And try to focus on the details more, whatever you are missing. Maybe sometimes you are focusing on the long term, that is why sometimes you are losing connection in between some present moment. Whatever is you are doing is sometimes you are losing the connection because your focus is on the future. Okay, so try to focus more on the current situation, and whatever you are doing is try to just concentrate in it more minutely. Okay, just try to do more research on it. And the last part of the week is surrender to your soul's path, Nine of Swords, and courage. So you have all the courage, so you don't need to worry. You are worrying, sometimes you are so worried that you are thinking something very negative and you are losing all your hopes. So you don't need to worry because you are in a goal, you are in a life goal, you are in a life soul's path. So sometimes you will face the hurdle, sometimes it will be difficult, but don't, I'm telling you again and again, don't just lose hope and don't let your fear like block you in some way, because you have all the courages and you will go through it. Just trust in yourself, trust in the universe, and leave it all in the divine time. Just try to focus on your work and you are doing your best. Okay, thank you all.